Okay, y'all, good morning. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back and checking my videos out. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, whatever. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, I keep posting. Y'all, I'm at Ikea. As y'all do see, I decided to come to Ikea. I've been trying to get down here for months and just haven't made it. So I'm gonna do a walkthrough of this store. This store is so big. As y'all can see, the 3 or 4 floors. Well, this is like the bottom floor with the garage, and then you walk through right there, and then you go up some escalators and you're at the main floor. But then I believe like right up here is the cafe, which they have very reasonable price meals. But I haven't been down here in probably like a year, so I decided to just come down here and see what they have, what kind of deals they have. They have an amazing clearance section. If you have not been to Ikea, you need to get there. Also, y'all, I decided to wear, let me sit this down so y'all can see it a little bit better. Now, I got the Ivy Park hoodie. I'm gonna show y'all this real quick, and then I'm moving on. I got the Ivy Park hoodie. This hoodie is way better than what the other hoodies is. Move it up a little bit. Way better. She tightened up the sleeve, the wrist part of the hoodie. She took the logo off, which was right here. She took that off, but it still has the Adidas stuff, as well as the Ivy Park right here and the Adidas right here, along with the stripes. But yeah, this one fits way better than all the other ones. So let's head into the store and see what we can find. Hopefully we can find some deals. And as y'all do see, I do have my mask. I'm trying to think, should I go to the clearance area first? Because no matter how many times I come down here, no matter how many times I come down to this store, I always get lost. So I decided to come early. I just got off work and hit the highway and came down here. So let's see what we can find. Hopefully I don't get lost because I got to go back to work. So let's get it. I'm so excited to see all of the goodies. Like I said, I haven't been down here in probably a year. I have a couple of videos, but not a lot, just a couple. So let's see the deals. Let's see what they have. If you don't know, right now it's closed, but they do have like a kids center right here. You could let your kids go in there for about an hour, I believe, but right now it's closed. I'm gonna go back here to the 50% stuff, the last chance stuff, see what all they have. And as you do know, I don't know if y'all know this or not, but the 50% stuff is as is, and I think it's final sale as well. Look at that amazing price. Not bad at all for pillow covers. That's not bad. Ooh, look at that. Wow. They don't have a lot of stuff in here, so we're gonna just move along and make our way upstairs. Or no, let's walk around to the other side, to the kitchen stuff. Most definitely wanted to get one of these. I finally got a basket, y'all. As you do see, these baskets is amazing. Look how good they turn. I'm just saying. Ikea might have the best baskets anywhere. Okay, this is the warehouse part of Ikea. This is where you go and you grab your items according to the aisle number as well as the bin number. You grab your items and then you head over to the checkout where you bring your items out. This area is huge. Also, Ikea sell real plants, real plants as well as artificial plants. I was just surprised and shocked how beautiful these plants look. You know, you gotta think, sometimes you go to like Home Depot and the plants is half dead and things like that, but these plants looked amazing. Candle smells so good. I don't know if it's this one, this raspberry one. I guess that's what this is. I don't know, but I literally could smell it through my mask. It smells so good. Maybe I should grab one or two little small ones. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab one of these candles just to see how it does. You never know. So I think I'm gonna grab this one. But they do have more down here. This is like a cherry. And they have these little tea lights. And they're scented. Surprise and shock. Ikea also sells scented candles at an affordable price. The 25-hour candles is like 4-ounce candles, I believe, for only $1.50. You cannot beat that. The 40-hour candles is like 8-ounce candles for only $3. Amazing. These special jar candles, as you see, they're $5. I'm not sure the burn time on them. And if you're the type like me that don't like cherry scent, you could buy the little small tea light candles, and the burn time on those is like 4 hours. Not bad at all, y'all. Not bad at all. I honestly feel like I've been missing out on these Ikea candles. Also, these candle holders reminded me of Bath and Body Works, that marble candle holder, for way cheaper. As you see, one was $8, the other one is $9. This kangaroo, oh my goodness, so cute. So cute. And it actually holds tea light candles. So yeah, I thought this thing was so cute. Goodness, it is just still in my heart. Oh, I want this, but they are sold out. So I might have to come back some other time to try to find this. So cute. Okay, y'all, I had to tell y'all, this dish set is amazing. I have it in black. I'm not sure the price. I don't know if the price went up because they don't. Oh, the price is $24. Amazing. Really, really nice set. Okay, yeah, I'm back in the car and I had to take this hoodie off. It is so warm now. So I took this off and I didn't even see half the store because I'm short on time. I got to be back at work in a little bit, but I did get some goodies. I did get a whole lot of nice things. Love this coin holder, y'all. Oh my goodness, when I seen they had this, I'm like, I need it. I need it. This is so cute. Yes, this is cute. I actually bought one of these huge bags, as you see in the back. I got one of these huge bags. These things are so big. So if you shop at Aldi and you need a bag, these are only 99 cents, and as you see, they're huge. I highly recommend you grab one of these Ikea bags. They're huge. They're huge for 99 cents, and I put all of my items on the inside of it because this bag is so big. Another nice, amazing thing, let me figure it out, y'all. Sorry. Something else I decided to grab. I decided to grab one of these Ikea hats. It was like $5. I think this would be really good when I'm on the bus and it's raining because all week is supposed to rain. Today is the only clear day. Yesterday it rained. Today is the only clear day. Tomorrow and the next day is gonna rain. So I decided to grab one of these little rain hats. Super, super nice. It's a little big, but y'all know your girl wear wigs. So once I put my wig on, it'll fit. So yeah, I thought this was so cute. Look, cute little rain hat. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, $5. You can't beat it. So yeah, I grabbed that, the bag, the coin holder, a couple of other items, but I'm gonna have to show y'all the rest of the stuff when I get home. So stay tuned, because your girl got to go back to work. I wanted to get something to eat. My battery on the camera is basically dead, y'all. So all right, to be continued. To be continued.